E.
How do you spell it?
Uniqlo, like E-E-T-E.
No, B-R-O-O-K.
No, not like that. E-B-E-T-E-E.
Do you know what Brooke's last name is, Noah?
What?
It's Weiss.
And that's Weiss. It's E-T-E.
Is that your last name, Noah?
That is my name.
Last name's Weiss?
Yep, Weiss.
So is Brookie's. Did you know
It's
that?
her last name too.
Did you know that, Noah?
Yep.
Yep.
I have to spin. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
How much?
That's a big check.
Yeah. How much is this check you're writing?
Well, yeah, sure you can. Sure, she'll be able to cash
Do
it.
you have the funds?
Yeah. Okay, you're not clicking up there. Why don't you write it?
Write the check to Brooke.
I just can't get to where my camcorder.
Okay. Why don't you write a check for Brooke for a new car?
Yeah, write a check for her
I need
to buy a new car. Why?
Because I need you.
Write a check for Brooke's new car, for her Hummer.
I need you to be why, please.
Are you going to buy Brooke a Hummer?
Yeah.
Well, then write the check.
But I need you to click on
Can you say, Uncle Joel, don't worry, I'm buying Brooke a Hummer?
Please be quiet.
She says the same thing.
Okay.
Please be quiet.